Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka TV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka TV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. And all things that's good. See? Welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. Make way to go to the channel. Buju Banton'S children, them I love you. Yeah. I love you. Just like how I love you father. You see? But there's some little idiot thing wants to go on more time with the item. I wonder if the item get set up. See? I have the item now. You know? I have the item, yeah. I wonder, because I'm not seeing nobody else who could have set up like certain type of enemy and the other half on the parentage like on the mother. See? I mean, I state certain facts and them facts, certain theory. See? And how them look to the item, oh, you know, we out here, you know, we are telling no. See? First thing we want to know, observe the fact say, our father was a well-established, independent individual, professionally, you know, self-sufficient in a Jamaica. Way before he was any of yours age, way before he was old as any of you. Come like you don't realize that. Say, in terms of our father, una underachievers. Which shouldn't be, it should be the reverse because after the foundation on the father set in him early age, one should have bounced off of that and be some really, you know what I say? Proficient members of society. You know, see some powerful PhD people, which I man wonder how that not dead. And if it could have did dead and it might dead secretly, and we don't know because of something that way look like the item prepared for expound upon, like for them virtue, the item individual virtue, them intention towards humanity or the human race as a whole, given the module one father set, the principles them when abide by in a earth, yeah. Seen? We don't understand. We're not soon show them accolades there and farm achievement. You see it? And the simple reason could be because I intend to use them to anybody's benefit. Seeing, given the fact say the trait we want to show at this present time have to be basically pound of father coat tail for the rest of our life, which is not my business, and it look like a something with him no mind because see it come on social media. Big woman were almost grandmother talk about my father throw me out time house, strangle me and throw me out. You don't think it's a 12-year-old attack. You know them really? Yeah, big woman a fight your father a fight. 2 and 2 adult. You stand up there and defend yourself? Where the backstory there? What caused all of this? How it developed to this? That would mean say your father have a sickness where the whole under there secretly I live with for him just randomly get violent out of the blues and one and I just towards him children them. You know, see it. What up, Abihail? We know, what kind of mentality them there? You don't feel good for no so I tell the world so you still living on a father house in a Jamaica as big people. And the fact so well then, it's not the norm in a Jamaica culture, nor is it everybody in a Jamaica is socially resourceful that way where them can accommodate them adult children under them roof up to certain age. And everybody have that. So I know something that way everybody are gonna jump and about her. Ooh, is it? Everybody are gonna wonder where you still are doing at your father's house. You see, and them all add to the fact say your sexual persuasion is not that aligned with your father's nature, culture, or, you know, roots. See, yet there is no open or public disapproval or put down from your father of such. Here you say out him just took your time house and you're a well established gay girl from way before him come from prison. How long ago? You see it and you just the same show you out. See it and you still now you're not state say that's the reason. You not indicate that. And it would have been a certainty that you would if that was the issue surrounding your father disagreement. You'd have definitely put that out there, say you think it's because you are gay or you know it's because you are gay and all them things there. See, all your nether brother come out and talk about people don't like when family secret bust out in the public. What him name? Can't remember the one where him name, where him say my DJ. I don't remember where him name, but youth. I could assume remember your name. Youth, which family you talk about? Which family secret? I hear daughter that, never know. I hear daughter come out and talk, say, her grandfather beat her up. Or what? Your family supposed to be way over so one side, Rasta. Which family you talk about over here, so brother? Kind of worthlessness them there? What kind of attention seeking pretense them they wanna come with now them big Jamaican days and stage and go on like on a barn and go in a Brittany and aristocracy and all them type of something there. There is no way, shape or form in a Jamaica you have to walk 5 miles before you find and get up. If you come from the suburb or the uptown place then. You're not closely related to ghetto life and the normal, the popular culture in a Jamaica. You're not closely related to that. Make Marcus carry no go Warieka because him do it all the while. Make Marcus carry no go down and go see what go on. Make no go see what the other side of the kind live like Rasta. You know see it? You don't care there. They are going like so well then the rest of the world like at the world. Because I'm not local ghetto Jamaican and not talk to you. The rest of the world out there. You know see it? The same set of people them where entrap your father, send him to prison. See right on the back of the fight them where I go through when the LGBT community cancel him, show them, and a campaign against me in America. See, I now say it was right or wrong, what I'm gonna outline to you. See, during the same time, then I'm sure them now work anywhere I'm going, them I get cancelled, them I get protests and things like that. See, them entrap him in a drugs deal, because obviously we don't know who wouldn't take them the deal given the circumstance. All of your business I get crumble and you're running a bankruptcy. You know see it, you have bills to pay, you have debt to pay and everything look gloomy. You know see it, them put in a position and then set up everything psychologically where it's irresistible. You know see it, if father got prison for 10 years, it's open knowledge. A fact. See? So that community is very much against your father. Yet him come back from prison, come find out, say, you are a member of such community. See? See? And the facts are, well, then, him live that trauma there because of that community for 10 years. In business mash up, in family, you know, they whisper it there and him, they were him there, and the whole concern and the whole thing. What happened to PTSD, post-traumatic stress and things like that? You know, see it? Triggers and flashbacks of certain things, because every day when me see your mother member say, John, no, my daughter join the people them where fight me to a point where, you know me, I say, yeah, every day me would have think it. See, now put me in the contrast with the whole reality is that not that because you're gay or whatever, but because of my position, yeah. My children, them at phone age, they have to live round so, up so, down so, over so. You know see it? You know see it? Me would have to inspire you to help to kind of back your Rasta. You know see it? Me not go have you under my roof in my little 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom house, same way I share bunk bed on a big people. Now I forgot that. Go rent somewhere or cut somewhere until they figure this out for yourself. You know see it? For the father can afford to spoil on the son. I want to know the first scenario when I describe my circumstance is the majority reality in the community of Jamaica want to live. See? One can relate to easily because you go to school and have a friend. Now we are live the same reality, the contrast away I live. You know see it? relatable. You know see it. Yet still, come here so and I act like so well then. This spoiled, privileged, entitled mentality. You know see it. Make it look like say mother teach that purposely if you go up against father Rasta. What reason have? You know see it. Your father come back with all the trauma from the PTSD of the whole thing and him still now rush at you, move to you, I try publicly bring you down and have nothing to do with any farmer thing like that. Obviously, yeah, him daughter, him love you same way, mother love you same way too. Every parent that love them child same way regardless. So we not agree with some of the things them way you do. That's why no matter what somebody charge for, them parents' testimony don't make sense in a court. The judge allow it, but him want the jury say, don't pay, though you can disregard it if you want because the parents is entitled to lie for them child. You don't see it. You don't see it. So the basic emotions recognized, universal, worldwide. You don't see it what parents have for them children. Rasta. You don't see it. Your father hold you down, see you on the daily and you know see it. It's the right for fan certain flames and come out in the public, come and behave certain way like so well and we don't want destroy the said image, the said brand. We bring no one out there, further inheritance, children them inheritance. Cause we Buju do carry the things that when I work for you now with him. When him drop the flesh, yeah. What I'm doing, it's just some dirty, petty, attention seeking them there. And the second time me I want and destruction we take on you, Destruction we take on you. You know see because you don't appreciate what you have. You don't show no appreciation for what you have. You know see, that means you don't care. See what go on with the poor struggling class, which is the majority of Jamaica. You know see, which you have voice, you have access and resource to PhD and them sort of thing that make representation on behalf of the people that want to father come from. And choose not to do so. Rather tear down, further tear down. I want them for not plant. You come like on a further tear down on a father image, fragile image. By the norm, according to the norm. You know see it. It's not right. See, I can't remember where the nether brother name we say him sing. We come out and talk about our family, our father don't like when the family business come out in the public. Youth, your father can't business with what your family business is. You should not talk about family business as a Rasta. You sound immature and childish. You know see it? You sound like you're slow. On a statement and action, on look like you revert maturity rather than grow into grown-ups. I want to know rich people picnic. A disgraceful action them the man. You not act like everybody else. That's the normal Rasta. You not spoil. You not spoil brats. You know see it. And the world knows from about 12, 10 and them way the Buju Banton in our life. You know see it. Yesterday, nobody no soon up on the sidewalk and beg, Buju Banton they are prison for 10 years, flat. Nobody no soon know where I beg nothing. And nobody no know no mothers no big entrepreneurial whatever rate for sustain the growth and development where entertain up to the point till father come back on the road. A big disgraceful leader thing them there. Father is a black iconic figure regardless if people disagree with some of the things them where him say. Yes, I know. The fact is, him craft is like intact. Him legacy pertaining to him craft is, unscathed. You know, see, if we grew up, I kick him, if we kick out the wall, I don't know. Make him go turn the car for, see it. I want to deal it. How can I listen to them there? And the wickedest thing, we're not going like we grew up in a country. There's no country or society in the world when I have poor people and fortunate people. You come from the fortunates and everybody knows that poorness exists and what it is. Everybody knows that them rich when them rich. And them will laugh. You know see, what kind of attitude this? That means if anything's wrong with the father, it's like say, just what? Yo, I disgrace them, the man. It's unacceptable, Rasta. You see? And una look petty and attention seeking. Like when you not grew up, when you stuck in a arrested development. You see? It's not acceptable, man. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.